Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video from Education Solutions. My name is John, and I would like to show you in this video how you can set up your Google Sheets and how you can do alternating colors so that you can see your names a little bit easier and the cells that you want to edit in just a little bit easier here. So let's go ahead and switch over here right now, and I've got my sheet all set up here, and I need to make this just a little bit bigger, so I'm going to set down my mic for a second here. And we're going to have to make this larger so you can see what I'm working with here. And the first thing I'll need to do is I want to select all of the cells that I want to work with. So I'll start in the top left, and I'm going to move all the way down to the bottom right cell and select all of those. So once I have those selected, you're going to come over here to Format, and we're going to set up alternating colors. Okay, so you'll see in here, once your alternating colors pop up, off to the right now, you can choose your different colors here. So me personally, I prefer green, and then you can set up some extra colors if you like. There we go, so that's a little bit too green there. Let me get that set up one more time here. So you go to Format and Alternating Colors. All right, now let's say that maybe you prefer something like lavender. So you can see that it's going to set this up for you, or if you want red. Again, I said I prefer green, but we'll try out some different colors here and see how orange is going to work. All right, now if I set in some extra colors here, there we go, and then you'd click on Done, and as soon as you set that, so now you can see I've got my alternating colors. Now it looks a little bit too bright for my screen, for my taste there. So you can always come back in and set up your format for alternating colors into a different color here. Now maybe you just want to have some nice, easy to look at kind of gray colors, very subtle kind of colors for you to see. It's up to you. So I hope that that you're able to kind of play around with this just a little bit and see if you can find the alternating colors that you prefer. Okay, and I'm going to set mine back to, there it is, my green color there. And I want to have it just a little bit darker green. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so there we go. And yeah, so with that being said here, I hope that that was a very useful little tip or trick that you can use with Google Sheets with the alternating colors here to help you out with being able to view your cells. So please don't forget to like the video, and also please do subscribe to Education Solutions down below and let me know how you are using Google Sheets. All right, so thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Adios.